Hi everyone. I haven't had much of anything interesting happen to me this week, but last week I went to get my top braces on and I also saw my partner in Massachusetts, which was really fun. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the green anole. It's a small reptile about 5 to 8 inches long that's found in the canopy area of Florida forests. So they're known for their color changing abilities because they can change from neon green to dull brown and like any greenish brown color in between, and they're also popular in the pet trade because of this. They're nicknamed the American chameleons for that reason. More about their physical description. They are one of the smallest lizard species. Anoles in general are very small lizards. More than half of their body length belongs to their tail, and they can drop this tail to distract predators. Their color changing abilities, well, the way they change their colors depends on several factors like their stress level, their mood, their communication needs, and their temperature regulation. The females have a distinctive white stripe along their backs, while males possess a larger red dewlap along their necks that holds the purpose of attracting females and establishing territory among other males. The geographic range. The green anole can be found in any humid, moist environment of North Carolina to Texas to Florida and anywhere in between. They're arboreal, meaning they live in trees, and you can find them like sheltering between leaves and within flowers. Occasionally, you can find them on the sides of houses and like in our infrastructure on campus, but they don't really prefer those areas. Unlike the brown anoles, who have like basically taken over those areas, the green anoles are a bit more elusive in that sense. They serve as a pest control. Their ecological role. They're important for pest control. They consume bothersome insects that we don't like flies and mosquitoes. They're also an important source of food for larger animals, such as the American kestrel and other like large birds that are like threatened. They are an important species in the science world because they are the most studied species of reptile in the world. So they help ecologists better determine how to protect reptile populations in America and across the world. They are insectivores, so they'll eat, again, flies, crickets, dragonflies, termites, mealworms. Being so small, they have many predators, including birds, snakes, spiders, and other small mammals. Their reproductive strategy, they have a courtship dance, which is the male bobbing its head while displaying its red dewlap. The female will deposit like 15 to 18 eggs during the mating season, and both parents leave this egg alone until it hatches and it has to grow up on its own. One fun fact, not very fun, green anoles the population is thriving, but they're like pretty threatened at the moment because they don't adapt well to urbanization, unlike the invasive brown anole. So with like every tree that's like falling down, their habitat decreases less and less, while the brown anole can basically just live wherever, even though it's like hurting too. It doesn't adapt. It adapts much better than the green anole. A unique sign of this species is the eggs they leave behind. They're like light green or yellow in color and less than an inch long, probably like a centimeter long at the most. I used to find them a lot at my old house in Central Florida. And that is pretty much all I have today about the green anole. Thank you.